Hello everyone. We are from Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, Rajan Kunte, Bangalore. Welcome for online video tutorial. Our department is Management Studies, that is MBA. We are having the session on Integrated Marketing Communication course. Already we know that course code is 18MBAMM402. I'm Manjunatha S, Assistant Professor working in Department of MBA SVIT. In today's session, we are covering IMC planning model, that is integrated marketing communication model. This is my first video regarding this course. So here already we know integrated marketing communication planning model. We are going to discuss in this today's class. The planning model is as follows, as it is coming on your screen. The first step is review of marketing plan. Second one is promotional program situation analysis. Third one, analysis of the communication process. Fourth, budget determination. And fifth, develop integrated marketing communication programs. Here, there will be a sub points or sub steps under that development of IMC programs. That is advertising. Under advertising, there will be objectives of advertising and message strategy of advertising. Then second, sales promotion. Here in the sales promotion, under the sales promotion, there will be a sales promotional objectives and also the strategy of sales promotion also comes. Then under the sub step of development of IMC program is public relation and publicity. Under that, there will be objectives for public relationship and also publicity. Then under that, again, it is coming strategies of public relations and publicity. Then fourth sub point is personal selling. For that, it will be having some objectives as well as strategies. Then direct marketing, for that also some objectives are there. Then it is having some strategies. The last, internet or interactive advertisements will be there. For that, again, objectives as well as strategies will be there. So under the development of develop integrated marketing communication programs, so this will be having as a IMC programs. For that, some objectives as well as some strategies will be there. Then after this, as a fifth step, it will be having one more step called integration and implementation of marketing communication strategies. Then at the last, we can see monitoring, evaluate, and control promotional programs. Every steps will be having in all the process will be having all the last one will be monitoring or evaluating or some controlling things only. So let us go one by one now in this session. The one by one step in detail, let us discuss. So the first one is review of marketing plan. We need to be examining overall marketing plan and objectives of the promotion as well as advertisement programs. So the companies or organizations which they have planned about that advertisement and program, that maybe we need to be evaluate it and we need to be identify it. Then also we need to be evaluating with having of some perspective. It may be some purpose with or else with some basis. So that may be competitive analysis. It may be whether we are getting what advantages we are getting if we are going to competition with other companies or other organization, and what we are going to lose with that competition. Then assess the environmental influences. Also, we need to be assess the environmental influences. It may be family, it may be friends, it may be external environment, internal environment. What all things we are implementing? It is influencing for the marketing plans. That also we need to be examined here. Then marketing plans can take several forms, but generally includes 5 basic elements. So that basic elements of the marketing plans is explained in below. That is a detailed situation analysis. We need to analyze the situations which is required for the basic marketing plans. The situation analysis, which situation we are into and what we need to be explained, what we need to be analyze the situations in the particular prospects. Then specific marketing objectives also. Without having objectives, no process will run. So that's what the marketing objectives, we need to specify it. It's not like having a more objectives and trying to achieve that objectives. It's very difficult for the companies. or organization. So they need to specify, they need to have the specific marketing objectives. It may be some limited numbers. Then the third marketing plan element, it may be a marketing strategy and programs. It may be the companies may have that marketing strategies, and it may be the marketing planning has converted as marketing strategies to get a success, and also how to implement it, the marketing programs. So how to reach for the top level, how to increase their market share and all. So that all programs as well as strategies they need to make it. And as fourth element, a program for implementing the marketing strategy. They need to implement the marketing strategies, and the program may be increased, or it may be what they have planned in the previous stuff that need to be explained, or that need to be implemented. Strategies or programs which they have planned in previous stuff that need to be implemented. Then it may be executing stage. Then last element is a process for monitoring and evaluating performance and providing feedback. So that may, they need to be evaluate what their situation analysis, what the program, what the strategies, what the plannings they have made relating to marketing plans. So that need to be evaluated, and they have to monitor to go in a proper way. Then moving to next one, the next step of IMC planning theme, the continuation of this one, that is analysis of promotional program situation. It may be they have to make it the promotional program situations analysis in a two ways, that is internal analysis as well as external analysis. In internal analysis, one need what need to be analyzed. So the promotional department organizations, then firm's ability to implement the promotional program, agency evaluations and also selections, review of previous program results. This all internally they have to do it in a marketing, especially in organizations relating to marketing. Internally they need to evaluate it, what they have done previously and what need to be implemented in future. So that all things they need to be implemented, evaluated or analysis need to be conducted on that perspective. Then external analysis is consumer behavior analysis, market segmentation, and target marketing, market positioning. So it may be they need to be build that STP model, that is segmentation, target, and positioning STP model, and they have to conduct research on that. And also the consumer behavior or customer behavior analysis, because the customers may have a lot of options or substitutes for their purchasing. So we need to analyze the customer expectations, a customer analysis, customer profile, gaining the data. This all need to be happen in the analysis of promotional program situation. Then in analysis of communication process, they need to be analyze the receiver response process. So what the product has received or who is going to purchase the product, they need to analyze after purchasing what response we may get. And also the communication after they receive the communication, after they receive that advertisement, how they are going to react for our advertisement or promotional programs, that need to be known by the people. Then moving to second point under that analysis of communication process, that analyze sources, message and channel efforts. We need to analyze the sources of information, what message we are passing by the advertiser to the customer or viewers or audience, and also which channel, and how, what is the reputation of the channel in this market. This all need to be analyzed as a communication process. Then establish communication goals and objectives. We need to be establish the goals of the communication, how what we need to be communicated at the end, what result we need to get it, then what objectives we are keeping to go as per the objectives. That all we need to be focused in the analysis of communication process. Then budget determination also, we need to be set a tentative budget for the marketing communication. It's not like we can't expect what will happen in a what exact amount or what exact budget will happen for the marketing communication, because market situations or market predictions very unexpected predictions will be there. So unexpected expenses may rise. That's what at least the tentative marketing communication budget need to be determined. Then allocate the tentative budget also for tentatively what budget we need to allocate for the particular purposes. It may be a selection of celebrity, then picturization of that advertisements, and which channel we are going to select for that, how much cost. So this all tentatively they need to be arranged the or allocate the budget. Then develop integrated marketing program in the next step. The develop integrated marketing communication program. Here the developing of advertisement, sales promotion, interactive or internet marketing, publicity or public relations, personal selling, direct marketing. So these all programs already we know that advertisement is a set of setting the objectives, determining the budget, develop advertising messages, develop the advertising media strategy. Same we need to make for sales promotion. We need to identify the objectives of sales promotion. We need to identify the sales promotion budget. We need to develop that sales promotion messages, and we need to identify the media strategy for sales promotion. So this all for all the points which is coming as IMC programs. We have developed that IMC programs, all 6 programs need to be, it may be some other programs also may be added in some companies or some organizations, but still all the programs need to be have that objectives as well as budget, and moreover the message which we are making and strategies relating to media. So all the points need to be developed in IMC program. In this stuff, it's maybe individually they have to focus on all the IMC programs. It's not like only advertisement is giving a priority and personal selling is as neglected. So definitely it will impact on the whole process of that IMC program or integrated marketing communication programs. So just building or developing of that IMC program is not enough. They need to be focused on all the IMC programs. That's what the company may get a success in the all the IMC programs. Then moving to next, that integrated and implementation of marketing communication strategies. So here the integration and implementation, it may be like executing of that all the strategies which we have discussed in the previous stuff. That is, it may be advertisement, sales promotion, direct marketing, personal selling. It may be interactive or internet marketing. Any IMC programs which we have discussed in previous stuff. So that may be execution stage is this one. It may be integrated promotional mix strategies. So we have to make a promotional mix. That what all it may be promotion strategies we have putting all the efforts, bringing all the IMC programs together and making follow up, and it may be developing of that one. Then create and produce the ads relating to our IMC programs. Means like how we have planned, how we have created objectives, and what budget we have made it, and what strategy we have made in previous stuff. As per that, we have to create and produce the advertisements. That is the execution stage. Then purchase media time and space. We need to purchase the best media, which may be printing media or electronic media or social media, and also the time and space also. We have to pay money and we have to purchase our time and space relating to promotional programs. It may be advertisement or something. Then design and implement direct marketing programs also. We need to design and implement it. We have to design the direct marketing programs as well as execute that programs with how we have planned in the previous stuff. Then design and distribute sales promotion materials. Again, what we have designed and what we need to implement it. That need to be implemented with regards to sales promotional materials. It may be some offers, discounts, or any other materials related to promotional things. It may be pamphlets or something. We need to be distribute for the customers or prospective customers. Then design and implement public relations as well as design and implement again interactive or internet marketing. So what we have planned in the previous one, so now we have to what we have developed in the previous step, we need to be execute in this step. Then last one, as we all knows, the last step of all the process will be evaluation or monitoring. So here also monitoring, evaluating, control IMC programs is there, that is integrated marketing communications. So here we have to evaluate the promotional program results and effectiveness. So what we have planned and developed as per our requirement and what we have executed, whether that execution is happened properly or not as per our expected results. So effectiveness, we need to be identify relating to advertisement, promotion, direct marketing, personal selling, the public relations or publicity, or interactive or internet marketing, or whatever, anything, whatever the IMC programs we have developed and we have executed in previous stuff, we need to evaluate their effectiveness, how much effectively we have implemented. Then take a measures to control and adjust the promotional strategies if something is going wrong. So definitely there will be a gap in that, or there will be issues in that executions or development of the IMC programs. Somewhere it is going wrong. It may be objectives, it may be budget, it may be media planning, it may be strategies planning, or something has gone wrong. So we have to find out that loophole, or we have to find out that issue, and we have to resolve the problems, or we have to bring some solutions for such kind of gaps. So that is the monitoring and evaluating and controlling of that whole process is required to create that effective IMC program. So here we'll wind up the session. Thank you. Kindly write your feedback or any thing you want to communicate for us. Kindly write your mail for manjunatha.s@saividya.ac.in. Thank you for watching, and thank you one and all.